Good morning, friends. I'm Jen,
I'm Cora.
and this is Coffee Connections.
Welcome to your daily toast of positivity and gratitude.
Daily toast?
Daily dose. Although speaking of toast, you are having my homemade toast.
Yes. So with my coffee today, I brought Cora's last glazed donut.
Which should have won the contest.
So here's the funny part. We have a funny donut update. Cora's dad voted my biscuity donuts as the winner.
The worst ones.
However, the funny thing is he ate all of Cora's glazed donuts since.
And none of her donuts have even been touched.
I haven't even eaten another donut since we did the taste test yesterday, and I was looking forward to one with my coffee today. And sure, she said, "Mom, what did you say? There was no more. She had to sneak this away and hide it for me, right?"
Yeah.
Yeah, that's crazy. So who's the real winner? If my chocolate biscuity donut was the winner, don't you think he would have been eating those? Anyway, moving right along. Cora, what are you grateful for today?
I'm grateful that I woke up nicely in the morning, even though I realized I was 30 minutes late for school. I still had a nice wake-up morning.
We'll make up the wad later.
Yeah.
I woke up happy today too. I stayed up late. I finished a project.
I liked seeing Cooper and Katie bug you. It made me happy.
So
for some reason.
I am grateful that the dogs are finally playing together now.
Even if it bugs mommy.
I think. Well, it bothers me if it's happening on my bed.
Which it was. And on top of her.
So they started playing together today, and Cooper was sort of reluctant. He was still kind of growling a little bit, but I think it was play growl. But he kept scooting closer to me and closer to me, like he was completely blocking the puppy from me, which was funny. But then they started really playing. And when Cora's dad came in, he's just like, look, he's got his mouth on the puppy's arm, but he's not biting down. I guess they were making puppy. It was puppy play, and Cooper knows if he's over the puppy, he just walks away, and he wasn't walking away. They were playing and kind of wrestling a little bit
over the big blue toy that was meant for Cooper, but now Katie loves more than her own.
Yes,
she tore hers out.
Cooper is being quite submissive. He's letting the puppy take all take his toys.
His food.
Yeah. Anyway, I'm grateful they're playing. I'm also super grateful that, well, I got better sleep now, but over the weekend, I was up at 1 and 2 in the morning, and I got to talk to two very good friends in London and catch up with them. And so I'm really happy that they are going through this coronavirus stuff. Being homebound and really making the most of it with gardens and family time, and really happy to hear them being positive in London. Cora.
Now we are moving on to a very, very special birthday today.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Aidan! We know you love pandas. Happy 18th birthday. I've known you since you were, the first time I met you, I think you might have been 1 year old, 1.5. But your whole family is just so dear to us, and we are thrilled that you are turning 18. So we have a couple of cool things for you today, don't we?
Mm-hmm.
Cora,
first,
yep, go ahead, honey.
First, we have this stuffed animal, but second, we have the Panda Cam at the San Diego Zoo, I believe.
Well, we will link to that one, but I know that you've probably already seen that one a bunch, so we tried to find another one. You're so into pandas, you might have heard of this one too, but explore.org has a live cam of pandas, and look, they're actually playing right now. Look how cute that is.
Get some mom and a baby or something.
So, Aidan, if you haven't already found it, explore.org has live cams of a variety of different sanctuaries and animals in Africa, bears, birds, oceans, dog bless you, cat resources, sanctuaries, but especially pandas. And this one that we are looking at right now is the Wolong Grove Panda
Oh,
Yard
there's a second baby.
in Zhengda.
There.
Oh, so cute. In Zhengda, Sichuan, China. Okay, so they are actually awake and playing right now. So happy birthday, Aidan. We love you and have a great day.
Happy birthday.
All right, moving along to kids' resources. Cora, what do you have for us today?
Mine is called indieschild.com. It is a website where I found it has 70 things to do with kids now that we're all stuck at home. And I'm going to read just some of them. Go camping in the living room.
Wait, hold on. Let me turn off the panda sound. Got it.
Okay. Go camping in the living room. Design and go on an indoor treasure hunt. This I'm just skipping a few. Make ice cream in a bag. Set up an in-home nail salon and try some nail art techniques. Ideas here.
Hey, we could do that. I need that.
Yeah. Dress up in your best clothes and have a fancy dinner. Make and blow bubbles. Instructions here. Make rock candy. Instructions here. Have an indoor picnic. Make paper fidget spinners. Instructions here. Create your own bingo cards and have a bingo tournament. Let your kid.
Sorry, I was scrolling ahead.
Learn to play a new card game. Teach yourself to juggle. Practice origami or paper folding.
So some of these are for much younger kids, but some of them still work for your age.
Dress up with mom and dad's clothes.
But the one that we saw when we were looking at it earlier that we really, really enjoyed was the idea of making a bingo game. Right? You kind of lit up at that one.
Yeah, make a water sensory bag.
Ooh, what's
make
that?
Some Play-Doh.
Which was our recipe in one of the last shows.
Create a nature scavenger hunt in your backyard or around your house. And some of them have a pillow fight.
So since we've been spending a couple hours a day making and editing these, that's cut into a little bit of our other playtime. So I think I'm going to make a monthly calendar.
Put on your bathrooms and play spa day. Moms would like that.
I think I'm going to make a calendar for April where we do something different every day. And that's kind of ambitious. It's kind of ambitious, but I think I'm going to try it and we will share it. Okay. Did you have any other resources, Cora? Or are you cool?
No. 70 things. Pretty sure that covers a lot.
Check our description for the link. The 70 things to do with kids now that we're stuck at home has links out to instructions for all of these different fun things to do. Just go to our description and you will find that there.
And once again, that is indieschild.com. INDYS child.com. Nothing capitalized.
Okay, so for the mom's resource, I found another pretty cool educational thing to do that parents can do with their kids or have with their kids. Junior Achievement of San Diego County. That is the company that hosts BizTown for fifth graders. And Cora had a really interesting experience. We're not going to talk about the whole thing now, but maybe at a future in-person meetup we can talk about that experience. But I love their attitude at Junior Achievement, and I found out that they are doing virtual programming for teachers and also for parents. So they have different sections. Junior Achievement virtual programs for teacher implementation, grades 6 to 12. And the one that I just signed us up for is Junior Achievement More Than Money, a virtual class. So they have a bunch of virtual programming, And as far as I know, it's free to sign up. I've started the registration process, and they've given me a thing. But JA, More Than Money, virtual, they're going to be identifying the role of money in everyday life. Students identify personal skills and interests and connect them with possible business opportunities. They match personal skills with jobs and self employment. I'm loving this. And understand market research, identify the basic steps for starting and operating a small business, and to develop a basic business plan based on their job skills and interests. So I'm pretty excited for this. Cora, you're making a face, but you actually love this topic. And
Just a lot of things to cover in
well,
one
no,
lesson.
They're 5 sessions, half an hour
Ah.
each. So each session is 30 to 45 minutes each. And so, yeah, don't worry about that. It's not all in jam packed into one half an hour. So I'm pretty excited about that. We will start that as we have time. And that was the main resource for me today.
All right. Now are we moving on to recipe?
Yes. So to cap off our show, we're trying to find recipes that inspire us. And I have a goal that I want to learn to make a better latte. So I've just been making my espresso in this totally cool camping style silicone pour over where I use a filter and put the espresso in and pour hot water over it. And I've been really happy with that. But I got one of those milk frother machines, instant milk frother machines for Christmas. And I haven't mastered it yet. I mean, it's fine. It's good enough. But I want to learn to make a really good latte. So I found adventuresinCooking.com, how to make the best latte. So I'm going to provide that link in the description below. And you can check it out there. I think that wraps it up. So this video is shorter than the others. Please like it, subscribe, and also find us, reach out to us on Twitter at Jen Leo.
And once again, happy birthday, Aidan!
Happy birthday, Aidan! And if you guys know of somebody who's having a birthday while we are homebound, please get in touch with us and let us know so we can celebrate with them. Okay? Have a great day!
Bye!